Alright class, now today I'm going to explain you how to set margins using page layout tab. So first of all, what I will do? First of all, you have to click on the page layout tab. In the page layout tab, you can see the page setup group. Now in the page setup group, you will see the option margins with a drop down arrow. Click on this arrow and you will see there are so many different margins set up. By default, normal margin is always set up. Now, if you want to change the default margin from normal to some other, so what you need to do is click on the custom margins. A dialog box will appear, and from here you can change the margins, that is top, left, bottom, and right. For your very kind information, I would like to tell you that the default margins are set at 1 inch from top and bottom and 1 inch from left and right edge of the page. Also, I would like to tell you what is margin. Margin is actually the amount of blank space between the edge of the page and the document text. Okay. Now, the next topic is page orientation. Now, what is page orientation? Page orientation sets the printing direction of the text. All right. The default orientation of the paper is set to portrait. You can change it to landscape as well. How to change? Again, click on the page layout tab. All right. Go to the orientation option, and from here you can change the print layout. The next topic is setting the page paper size. How to do this? Again, click on the page layout tab, go to the size, and from here you can change the size of the paper. Working with tabs. Now, what are tab? Tab is used to move the cursor at certain spaces in a document. By default, tab stops are set at every 0.5 inch. This you have already studied in class 4. Now, how to change the tabs? First of all, again, click on the page layout tab, go to the paragraph group, and here you will see a dialog box launcher. Click on this dialog box launcher, and here you will see the option tabs. Click on the tabs. You can see by default it is set at 0.5, but from here you can change the tab position. The next topic is indenting a text. What is indentation? Indentation determines the amount of space between the text and the page margin. All right. Indentation is done on a complete paragraph or on the first line of a paragraph. How to do indentation? Again, click on the page layout tab, go to the indent option. You can see to go to the paragraph group, and in the paragraph group you have indent option. From here you can change the indentation of the paragraph. All right. So this is how we come to an end of the chapter. If you have any queries related to this topic, you can send to me once the window is open. Thank you, children.